Hey everybody, Miss Barnes here. I'm here with my fourth period class. Y'all can say hi. Hi! Okay, we're going over the Module 12 review, so let's get started. Number 1, for which equation is x equal 5 a solution? Okay, you can go about this two ways. You can either plug 5 in for your variable or you can go and solve. Okay, if you go and solve, you should find that 3 times 5 does in fact equal 15. So B is your answer for number 1. Number 2, which of the following is an equation? Well, for something to be an equation, it has to have an equal sign, so C would be correct. Okay, moving right along. Number 5. Which is the solution to the equation below? Again, you can go plug in your options or you can go solve for your variable. Okay, I chose to solve for my variable, so I have an addition part here. So to get rid of addition, I subtract. Okay, so 9 minus 3 is 6. So 5 would be B. Number 6, which equation has a solution of 12? Okay, so I'm trying to figure out which x is equal to 12. If I start with A, I have subtraction here, so to get rid of subtraction, I add. So x would be equal to 12. A. On your test, you should be sure to double check your answer. Number 7. Which is the solution to the equation below? Negative 3 is equal to t minus 12. Okay, well we have minus 12. Remember, our goal is to get the variable by itself. So we need to add 12 to both sides. So we would have t on the right. What is negative 3 plus 12? Positive 9. You should get C as your answer. Number 8. Sean wants to buy a skateboard that sells for $49.99. An advertisement says that next week that skateboard will be on sale for $42.50. How much will Gavin save if he waits until next week to buy the skateboard? Okay. Well, we had a problem in our homework this week very similar to this, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we said that the on sale price plus the discount equals the full price,
Yes.
right? Okay, so let's set up that up in an
yes.
equation. So $42.50 plus the discount, which we're going to call X, should be equal to $49.99. Okay? So we need to subtract $42.50 from both sides. And you will get X is equal to $7.49. B. Number 9. Which equation has a solution of 8? Okay, so you go plug 8 into all of those equations. Okay. I'm going to hop right to the answer. So I'm going to have negative 2 times 8. Negative 2 times 8 is negative 16, and negative 16 is equal to negative 16, so that one your answer is D. If you work the other ones out, for A you will get 4, for B you will get 32, and for C you would get 1. Okay, so none of those equal what they give you. Number 10. Which is the solution to the equation below? 32 is equal to Q divided by 2. Okay, well this is division, so to get rid of division we multiply. Okay, so that will take care of the 2's on the right. So 2 times 32 is 64. So Q is equal to 64. D. Number 12. Jesse uses 19 beads to decorate each picture frame. In all, Jesse used 133 beads. How many picture frames did Jesse make? Okay, before you can figure out how many he made, you have to write an equation, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we know that each picture frame takes 19 beads. We're trying to figure out how many he did, and we know that he used 133, right?
Yes.
So your equation should read 19x is equal to 133. You divide both sides by 19, and you will get x is equal to 7. The outdoor temperature was 18 degrees at midnight. The temperature declined 7 degrees each hour for the next 4 hours. What was the temperature at 4 a.m.? So we have 18. It says it's declining, so that means it's subtracting. Okay, for each hour. So we have a decline in temperature. That means we're subtracting. It declined each hour 7 degrees. And we declined 4 hours, 7 degrees each time. So 18 minus, what's 4 times 7? 28. 18 minus 28 would be negative 10. So you should get B. Okay, let's flip it over. Let's look at the back. Number 14 says, decide whether n is equal to 9 is a solution to the equation 2 plus n is equal to 7. So we're just rewriting it with 9n as our variable. Okay, plug in 9n. What is 2 plus 9? 11. Is 11 equal to 7?
Yes.
11 is equal to 7?
No. I didn't say that.
No.
Sorry.
15. The weight of a goat increased by 12 pounds is 38 pounds. Write an equation to represent the situation. Okay, so our goat, we're trying to figure out how much he weighed originally, right?
Yep.
Okay. Gain 12 pounds, that means a plus. You gain something, you add. After he gained that weight, he's now 38 pounds. Okay, so we subtract 12 from both sides. Oh, you don't even have to solve it. Never mind. If you do solve it, you get x is 26. But you just had to write an equation. 16. 12 inches is cut from a board. The remaining board is 18 inches long. Write an equation to represent the situation. Okay, if we take 12 inches off of a board, that means we started with something first, right? So x minus 12. What's left? 18. Okay. 17. Decide whether 3.5 is a solution to the equation 2n is equal to 70. Okay, you're just going to plug that in. So 2 times 3.5. Okay. 2 times 3.5 is 7. Is 7 equal to 70?
No.
No.
They tried to eye trick you there.
They did try to eye trick you. Decimal point is the only thing that changes that. Okay? 18, you're just solving the equation. M minus 3 is equal to 13.8. We add 3 on both sides. M is equal to 16.8. Okay? 19 18. We're solving the equation. 2.3 is equal to P plus 0.6. We subtract on this one 0.6 from each side, and you would get P is equal to 1.7. Number 20. Denise scored 3 fewer points than Carter scored. Denise scored 18 points. How many points did Carter score? It tells you to write an equation, then to solve it. Okay? So Carter minus 3 is 18, right? So we add 3 on both sides. So Carter scored 21 points. At 21, the sales tax on a $250 computer is $17.50. Find the sales tax rate. Okay, most of you have no idea what sales tax is. You just go to a store and they automatically charge it. You just pay it, whatever. Okay? Well, sales tax is a part of your price. Okay? So, multiplication. So of this $250, you're charged some rate on it, okay? And we know that that rate is $17.50. That's what you would pay, okay? So now this looks like an equation that you have seen before.
Yes.
Okay, so you are going to solve for x by dividing by 250. On both sides. Okay? Now, your number is going to be smaller than 1. Kind of ran out of room. So 250 into $17.50. Okay? 250 will go into 1750 7 times. Okay? So we pull 0.07. Now, sales tax is always a percent, so I want you to use your schema, go to your schema, and think back to when we changed decimals to percents, okay? We moved the decimal 2 places, okay? So that would be 7%. $7% is the correct answer.